Well, hello everyone. I just wanted to record this video to give you some suggestion as you're getting ready and prepared for final exam. You know that final exam is comprehensive. We covered 3 big units and 1 small unit at the end, which is chapter 10, regression. So expect a question, one question from chapter 10. It will be a long question with parts, right? You're going to find the equation of the regression line. You're going to talk about if there is a positive or negative, strong, weak correlation between dependent and independent variable. You're going to predict a value for y hat, or if y hat is given, you're going to predict an input. So expect one big question for that. That's one. One hypothesis testing question, only one, and that question will not be about differences of means, so that's a good thing. One confidence interval question, only one, again. One big probability question. For that probability question, look at your probability assignment. Will be very, very similar to that, right? So that portion is cover our unit 3 and small unit 4 and some parts of probability. What else is going to be there? Make sure one question about normal distribution. So you're going to find the area under the curve. What is the probability of a value is greater than, let's say, 125? You're going to do that. And also probability will be given. You are going to find the theta value. Remember, those two is different things. One of them is you're finding a probability of x is greater than or less than a value. So it's the area. The other one is you're using what would be that x value if I'm looking at the highest 5%, lowest 10%. So you use norm inverse. So that's one question about that. One question about chapter 1. So what is qualitative, quantitative variable? What is experiment, study, simulation? Make sure you know that. So what kind of a design do we use? Completely randomized or randomized block? Expect a question about that. That's your other question. One question about central limit theorem, right? Mu sub x bar and standard deviation of x bar. These are different things. Another question from chapter 1, again, when to use 5-number summary and when to use empirical distribution. How were you finding the 5-number summary in Excel comments? What was the things about empirical distribution, like 68%, 95%, 99, and 7? And there were 2 different approaches depending on the shape of your distribution. If your distribution is skewed to the right or left, right, you use 5-number summary instead of empirical distribution. So make sure you know that. And that is all about it. That's what you gotta know. So final exam seems a little long, but we only have 9 questions. I'm hoping that you watch this video and we can finish this class strong. All right. And also, one last thing, course evaluations. Guys, we're still on 60%. Please complete that. If you complete it, please check with your group friends. They completed it so that I can drop the lowest quiz grade. All right. So I had the pleasure to be the teacher of this crowd. Thank you for that. I hope you learn at least minimum about the statistics and you enjoy that, right? Good luck with your final. Bye.